Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Getting Started, Running a Python File in Python. Introduction. Running a Python file is a fundamental skill for any Python developer. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basics of executing a Python script, .py file, from the command line. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Prerequisites. Install Python. Make sure Python is installed on your machine. You can download the latest version from the official Python website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Text editor/IDE. Choose a text editor or integrated development environment, IDE, to write your Python code. Popular choices include VSCode, PyCharm, Atom, or even a simple text editor like Notepad. Step 1. Create a Python script. Open your text editor or IDE and create a new file with a .py extension. For example, you can create a file named hello.py. Save the file in a location of your choice. Step 2. Open command line/terminal. Open the command line, Windows, or terminal, Linux/Mac OS. You can find the command line by searching for command prompt or terminal in the respective operating system. Step 3. Navigate to the script location. Use the cd command to navigate to the directory where your Python script is located. For example,